Welcome to our exciting journey through Vietnam, a country brimming with captivating contrasts and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a food lover, Vietnam has something to offer everyone. Ha Long Bay is a breathtaking natural wonder in Vietnam, renowned for its stunning seascape of around 1,600 limestone islands and islets. A popular way to explore Ha Long Bay is by boat cruise, which provides close-up views of the islands, hidden caves, and traditional floating fishing villages. Among the notable caves are Sung Sot, Surprise Cave, and Thien Kung, Heavenly Palace Cave, famous for their striking stalactites and stalagmites. The floating villages, such as Qua Van, offer a unique glimpse into the life of the bay's inhabitants, who largely depend on fishing and aquaculture. The caves of Phong Nha, Ke Bang National Park, are a series of extraordinary natural formations that offer visitors a glimpse into some of the most remarkable underground landscapes. Son Doong Cave, the largest known cave passage by volume, stretches over 5 kilometers. Phong Nha Cave is renowned for its long underground river, intricate rock formations, and extensive grottos. Paradise Cave is celebrated for its stunning beauty and grandeur, featuring high ceilings and wide passages that create a majestic, cathedral-like atmosphere. Dark Cave provides a unique blend of caving and adventure tourism, where visitors can zip-line across a river, kayak, and swim into the cave's entrance. The Tu Lan cave system, comprising more than 10 caves, offers a diverse caving experience. Hu's cuisine is widely regarded as the pinnacle of Vietnamese culinary artistry. A cooking class in Hu typically involves preparing some of the region's renowned dishes, including bun bo hu, a spicy beef noodle soup with a complex broth made from beef bones, lemongrass, and fermented shrimp paste, often garnished with slices of beef, pork, and fresh herbs. Another dish, ban bao, features steamed rice cakes topped with minced shrimp, scallions, and crispy pork rinds, served with a tangy fish sauce. Nem lui consists of grilled lemongrass skewers with minced pork, typically enjoyed with rice paper, fresh herbs, and a special dipping sauce. Chai Hu offers a variety of sweet soups or puddings made with beans, fruits, and coconut milk, providing a refreshing dessert option. Many cooking classes start with a guided tour of a local market such as Dong Ba Market. Under the guidance of a professional chef or experienced local cook, participants learn the techniques and secrets behind these traditional Hu recipes. One of the most iconic features of the Mekong Delta is its floating markets such as Kai Rang, Phong Dien, and Kai Bi, where traders sell goods directly from boats, offering a unique glimpse into the local way of life. The Delta is renowned for its fruit orchards, producing tropical fruits, and is a major centre for aquaculture, particularly shrimp and fish farming. The Mekong Delta is a popular tourist destination, celebrated for its scenic boat tours, rich cultural experiences, and natural beauty. Visitors often enjoy activities such as visiting coconut candy factories, rice paper production sites, and traditional music performances, all of which provide an immersive experience of the region's vibrant culture and economy. Mui Ne is renowned for its distinctive sand dunes, which offer unique sandboarding experiences. The red sand dunes, located closer to Mui Ne town, are known for their reddish-brown colour. These smaller and more accessible dunes are popular for quick visits and are ideal for beginner sandboarders. In contrast, the white sand dunes feature finer, whiter sand that contrasts beautifully with the blue sky and nearby lake. These larger and more expansive dunes present more challenging slopes for sandboarding. The best times to enjoy sandboarding in Mui Ne are early in the morning or late in the afternoon when temperatures are cooler. Beyond sandboarding, The White Sand Dunes area also offers additional activities such as quad biking, dun buggies, and jeep tours, enhancing the adventure experience. As we wrap up our journey through Vietnam, we hope you've been inspired by the incredible landscapes, rich cultural experiences, and vibrant local life that this remarkable country has to offer. Vietnam truly is a destination full of wonder and adventure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Visit outingstravel.com to book your next trip.